Hey, Jack's cooking with the blues. We're cooking with gas right now. So my friend Josh Friedman, he loves that arugula salad, so we're doing that fresh fluke right off the boat. Kind of blackened. So what we'll do is we'll always nice hot skillet. Just a little more blackened. This is a real quick dish because it's real thin fillets. So actually I want to cook it on that side because a little more blackened seasoning on this side too. Blackened. There's a little butter at the end. Makes it nice and unctuous. Is that a word? I was thinking of that word today. Unctuous. I don't know why. My buddy Jeremy Smyers made a one of my recipes from Chaplin's piccata, chicken piccata. And he roasted the lemon slices right in the skillet like I should. It gives it that incredible taste. So, I can hit this with a little more Parmigiano. That's it. Right there. Blackened Fluke over Arugula. Going on. Hey, where's our makeup and hair and all the person? They called out sick.
This is low budget.
They called out sick today?
This is low budget.
So we're going to do the Mussels Bianco. White wine. Oh man.
Because of fire.
More see that? So when they pick the shell up, they get that flavor of nice garlic on their hands. You never want to shake a pan and get fire, catch the gas with the pan on fire. You get the gas flavor into your food. So always take it off to the side. I wish you had some smell-o-vision here, Glenn. Huh?
That smells great.
Lemon juice. White wine. A bit of fresh basil. Just a little bit more whole butter. As soon as those shells open, we're good. Butter melted. You got the natural sauce in the pan. The butter helps thicken it a little bit. This is nice. You can grill up a nice piece of fish. My buddy Ted, this is what I orders. Nice piece of fish. Blackened over the top of this. Mussels Bianco. Hey, Jacksonville with the Blues. Beautiful downtown New London, Connecticut. Glenn Peltier camera. Cindy over here. We won't put you on. Ty. Come over here, Ty. Ty just joined us a couple weeks ago. Hard-working young man. Peace.